All right, with this WESH2 Facebook Live update, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Mainolfi. We are over the hump now. Wednesday evening here. A lot of you done with work today. We've got Thursday and Friday, and then we've got the weekend. So a lot of ground to cover here for you guys. We're going to go ahead and do that here over the next half hour. We're going to start local, and then we've got a lot potentially going on now in the tropics as we head into the upcoming weekend and early next week. So let's begin here locally first. There is a little disturbance down in the Bahamas that's not going to develop, but is going to bring us some rain late tonight and tomorrow. Danielle McGinnis, hello to you. Good to have you in here. Appreciate you popping in and saying hi tonight. So that low feature right there will continue. Terry Lottie has popped in. Good to have you there. That low is going to continue to work west-northwestward, and what that will do is begin to increase our rainfall chances, especially now after midnight. Let's go and take a look now at the satellite loop and presentation. Sally Anderson up there in Astor, Darla Bell in DeLand, Philip Smith in Edgewater, Barbara Wise, I'm not sure where she's at, but she's wise for watching us to get the update on the weather. Denise Rochia, Di Virgilio, good to have you. Jojo Lovejoy, evening to you. Mark Alvarez, appreciate that, Marcus. Wendy Campbell, Wendy styling with those shades she's got there. Wendy, always looking good there. John Colmer has popped in. All right, so there's our little feature right there, spinning and churning. And it's interesting to note here that there's actually a nice little blow-up of showers and storms that may clip southern Brevard County a little bit later on. Belen Rodriguez, Jeff Neighbors, Stacy Bruno, Carla Deem, Mark Talio. Marcus, good to have you there. Appreciate you. Colleen Evans has popped in. Belen, you'll get some rain. Hang in there. Donnie Moore, D. Moore. Donnie, what's going on, big dog? Tom Barb Drab, Haley Riggs, Barbara Wise. Thank you, Barbs. Sally Anderson, Maritza, Medina. Good to have you there, Maritz. Ricky Brugon, Beverly Wells, Junie Pachi, Haley Riggs, blessings to you. Terry Lottie, Mark, Teresa, Sally Anderson. There you go. We got Karen Rasmussen. Boy, I'll tell you what, we're killing it now. Anna Jacques Zeglin and Francis. Everybody, give Francis a warm welcome. Franny, we missed you, girl. But it's good to have you back, as your Yankees are killing it these days. And thank you for beating the Braves. We do appreciate that. The Mets can use all the help we can get right now. So there's the rain. That's going to be working off towards the west-northwest. Stacy Bruno, that was pretty intense, right? Hi, Heather Hall. Vismary's Negron, please, just rain in Orlando. Jess is saying welcome to Francis. All right, so let's take a look now at the models for tonight before we get into the tropics. We have a lot to cover there. Junie Pachi. Danielle McGinnis, Jerome Tyson, Brian Keller. Look, see showers start working on in. Lows tonight are going to be running in the middle upper 70s south and east, lower 70s north and west. Let's take a look at the short range. Karen saying, hey, Francis. Eileen Delize, thank you. Brian. Denise Andrews, Michelle Attardi, Steve Henkin, Belen Rodriguez, Terry Hadilotti. There we go. You're welcome, Francis. As always, there, young lady. So showers, could it be a couple rumbles of thunder? Let's take a look at the Futurecast model here for you. Gerardo Lopez is popping in. Gerardo says hi to you, Francis. John Clomer, strong coffee. Kona coffee. So there we go. Few showers, few storms. Then everything works quickly off towards the west-northwest. And on Friday, with a deep easterly flow, we get some more showers and a couple of isolated storms. When we're done with the two-day totals, we think the coast is going to do better than the inland areas. We get that convergence along the coast. Molly Johnson has popped in. Rosie Martinez, good to have you as well. All right, so that's kind of the deal on the rain. Feels like temperatures, rainstorms, wind currents, all a medium threat. Nothing high tomorrow with the clouds and whatnot around. Now, we do have a race Friday night. There you go. Wawa. The 250 powered by Coke. Showers ending around race time. Then we head into the weekend. Kathleen and Michelle Rosen, good to have you there. Milton Teixeira. Is it going to be? Maritz, not tonight. Nope. Marianne Zacone. My day was good. Thanks for asking. Kathy Brunell, the Brunelski. And North Carolina's in the house. Melissa getting wiggy with it. All right, Saturday and Sunday may have a developing hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico. Again, we'll have to watch as hurricane hunters, by the way, start traveling into this puppy beginning tomorrow. So once we get that going, then the confidence level of this storm system starts to go up. Oh, Denise, time lapsing on the weekend. There we go. All right, sorry. There it is. So there it is. Saturday, a few showers and storms as that storm is developing in the Gulf of Mexico. Then on Sunday, a few showers and some storms. Now, by the way, we do have a launch on Saturday. It's very early in the morning, though. We're gonna go all over the tropics. I've got so many cool graphics I want to show. Just hang tight. CRS 23, 3:37 in the morning. We'll be watching those coastal showers. There we go. The Coke Sugar 0400. There it is. Showers ending at 7:30. A temperature of about 81. Common Palm Coast tonight. Correct the mundo. All right, let's head to the tropics. Let me show you this. There's Monday, potentially making landfall somewhere in the Gulf west of Florida as of now, and then some of that moisture may try to skirt back east there on Tuesday. So let's get to the tropics here. A lot going on, a lot to talk about. There we go. Oops, hit the wrong button there. All right, so we've got Invest 97, an 80% chance of developing. Melissa, good to have you. Melissa, if you're not in Florida anymore, where you at, girl? We miss you, by the way. Denise George has popped in. Milka, sharing is caring. Juan, thank you. Jojo Vaughn, excellent. I want to see pictures there, young lady. You had gorgeous weather today, by the way. Jojo's from Minnesota. She's in tonight. I need a couple cups of coffee there, Darla. Busier than a bee, Natalie. Correct the mundo. All right. 97, 98, 99. Let's get them all and spend a lot of time on 99. There's 97. Bermuda hanging a right turn, an 80% chance of developing. This could be a depression by the weekend. So we'll watch that. The models, though, do this. They curve it off towards the north and the east. So I'm good with that. And then here's 98. Little ball of energy there. Also, may develop, but look at this. This one's going due north. Fish storm, as we like to say. All right, let's spend the time on 99. Just popped in to say hello. You too, Frey Lolo. Thanks for popping in and saying hi. Tell the kiddos I said hi. Tiffany Turner's popped in, going to St. Pete. Juan Angel Lozado. Brandon Adams. Brandon, we are not ruling anything out on 99 just yet. A 50% chance of developing in the next 48 hours. A 80% chance of developing by the next 5 days. Maribel from Ocala, Colleen Audette has popped in. Let's see here. You too, Gerardo. So here's a look at Invest 99. May see a shift more towards the east into Louisiana tonight. At least I know the American GFS is now closer towards New Orleans. We'll be waiting on the others. I moved to North Carolina for a year. Well, I'm glad you still keep checking in on us. You still have family down here, Melissa? Bill Sawyers, good evening. Rebecca Williams. Showers developing after midnight, possibly there for Daytona Beach. So there's a look at 99. Now I want to show you something here. This is the model GFS in the Euro. GFS is now the quicker scenario and coming into New Orleans, whereas the Euro is more towards the west, both develop into hurricanes. One making landfall Sunday night, GFS. One making landfall Monday, almost a 24-hour difference right there in those two models. Eileen, we're going to be watching that. Melinda, there you go. There you go. Brandon Adams, I was watching the upper wind models and I saw that. Brandon, we're gonna talk a little bit about that here in a second. So if you believe the GFS, there it is. Comes into southwest Louisiana with 100-mile-an-hour plus winds. If you, again, this is just one model. This is what the representation would be from a tropical storm to a hurricane. Obviously, red is the hurricane. Boom. Right there. Hurricane force winds into New Orleans. Now, when we do the Euro, here's what the Euro looks like. Yeah, Ted Drake in the house. Eileen, very good. Lake Pontchartrain will certainly want to be watching this for sure. Here's the Euro. +100 there. Very powerful hurricane coming into Lake Charles, excuse me, on Monday evening. Brandon, we're gonna watch this. We have nothing yet, but this is what the models are currently hinting at. Here's the wind field. There it is. Right there. So the forecast intensity right now, anywhere from a tropical storm to a Cat 3. Diane Irene, good to have you there. So there we have it. Now, let's go real time here. Those are two of just the global models, the GFS and the Euro. As we showed you earlier, some of the tropical models are definitely west of there. So here's where the system is right now. Down in here, there's some upper level winds here, as you can see out of the southwest. With time, this will begin to lift northwestward. Oh, the upper low that you were referring to is right in here. But this upper low is moving northwest as this is moving northwest. So that might not be around much longer. That's why we think this has a chance of getting stronger. Ted Drake, gotcha. Denise, we get some energy coming in well after midnight tonight, but you can see down in here, if you look closely, definitely a little turning and twisting with that feature right there. And there's the visible as the sun has set in this part of the globe, which you can see right in there. A little spin south of Jamaica, and it is over some warm water. Mary Evans, Candy Fry, Tina Oetting. Tio, what up? Billy got you. David Eisenberg, good to have you there. So those are some warm waters. Wave action is just now starting to grow. You want to see waves down the road, check this out. A little bit of green, 10-foot waves. A little bit of yellow. A little bit of orange. Yeah, 30+ foot waves there as this thing develops. So, something we'll be watching. Now, here's the GFS water vapor. Jenna Bon Jovi, good to have you there. All right, so there's the updated Euro. Coming into Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. And then another feature right behind it in the northwestern Caribbean. Then another feature there out over the open waters. Here's a look at the Euro. Not really, but it is affecting us. I mean, hazy kind of stuff out there. I'll show you the lay here in a second. There's the Euro. That one feature goes due north, and then a bomb Little missile there. It's buzzsawing off towards the west-northwest. So there you go. Right there. The tropics are definitely active. So next named storms will be Ida, Julian, and potentially Kate. Ida, Julian, and potentially Kate. Here you go. There's your 7-day forecast. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Temps going from the upper 80s into the lower 90s. Rain chances coming down just a little bit. And then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, temperatures quite hot. Quite hot there. Quite hot there in the area. There you go. There's a look right there. So 92, 93. And a Taylor radio. Just follow me. Love it. Thank you. All right, so that's a look at that. Denise. Kilo Ikai. Pontchartrain. Yes. Okay, so someone's got a radar question about the velocity product. So let's do this. All right, hang on, give me 1 second. I'll do the pallets, and then we'll do the velocity. All right, so let's get rid of that. So green is toward the radar. I'm going to zoom it out here for you. And red is away. So think of it, when you see the headlights on a car, the red lights, it's moving away from you. Green means it's coming towards you there, Brian. It's the easiest way to remember it. So that's a look at that. Tina Weist, good to have you there, girl. When will Southern Bavaria get rain? Thursday, I think the rain's going to be coming in here pretty soon to Brevard County. We got nasty stuff right there, quickly approaching West Palm, Stewart. Again, all of this on the northern fringes. Little blow up there on the northern fringes there of our upper low. So there you go. Chuck Causey. Chuck, going to be busy. So we'll have to watch things here for you. Right now it looks like the majority of the stuff does miss Florida, although tonight we'll get in on some of this action here. Melissa Nations. There you go. Good job there, Melissa, saving your husband. Jennifer Schofield. Denise. There you go, Denise. Joanne Clendinst, good to have you there. So that is a look at that. All right, somebody wanted to see if there's any cooler weather up in the Northeast. And the answer is yes. Along the U.S.-Canadian border, we are in, as you can see, the 60s and the 70s. Somebody was asking about that snow out west earlier. No snow on the peaks today. It all melted. But good evening to you, Juanita Webb. No need for the rain dance, says Diane. You want colder weather. Look at the purple up there now, beginning to show on up. You see Fort Ross, 38. Point Barrow at 40. Baker Lake at 59. Juneau at 59. Winnipeg at 63. Las Vegas, 104. Chuck, you're welcome. Nassau, 81. Belize, 86. San Jose, 68. Look at the Punta Arenas, 39. Mary Lou Carey, I am doing well. Power Toy, oh, thank you there. John? Thank you, Mary. So there's a look now at Cape Town, Miami, Paris, 59, Berlin 59, Oslo 54, Moscow at 55. There you go, Natalie. There's a look at Astana. Bratsk at 54, Ulaanbaatar at 50, Yakutsk is at 59. Days are getting shorter that far north. Shanghai is at 88. Jakarta 77. Melbourne Airport. Melbourne at 46. Auckland at 61. So there we go. All right, there you have it. All right, so again for us, we are going to be watching Yakutsk. That's right, Kilo Ikai. Hazel Foresters popped in. There's some of that moisture with that upper low. It's going to be swinging on through tonight. In fact, Melbourne radar is showing some of that energy picking on up. So we're going to get some rain tonight for sure. Somebody wants to see futurecast for tonight. So let's go ahead and do that. Here we go. There it is. Rounds of showers and storms overnight tonight and through the first half of the day there tomorrow. All right, we'll wrap it up here with a look at the 7-day forecast. Kind of make sure that you guys get the gist of things. So while the tropics are active, we'll keep an eye on 99 to see if that trend of more to the east continues. Right now, it's gone from Texas to Louisiana. So plenty of time to watch it, but we want to keep you guys posted on what's going on. Rain in Melbourne, yep. Jennifer Schofield, you're going to get it. Natalie Ann, going to get some rain, and she's loving that too. There you have it. All right, gang, I'm going to rock and roll, make some updates here. You guys have a wonderful night. I'll see you tonight at 10 on the CW18 and again at 11 on WESH2 News. Take care, stay safe, wear your masks, and if you're not following the speed, go ahead and do so. Every time I go live, you'll get an update, and you'll kind of get an update on what's going on weather-wise, whether it's storms bearing down on you, whether it's something in the tropics, whether it's cold, whether it's hot, you name it, we've got the weather covered for you. Again, see you guys tonight. Toodles!